today we're going to be doing something a little different, a little older. I like to experiment with the older recipes. Now this recipe is from the Great Depression era here in the States. 1930s-ish. It is an imitation or fake apple pie. For this, we're using a pre-made pie crust again. Like always, y'all can make your own pie crust if you want. You know, if you got a good pie crust recipe that you want to make, go for it. I'm just using pre-made like I usually do because I'm lazy like that. We have some cream of tartar. We have some sugar. We have some cinnamon. We have some lemon juice. And we have some Ritz crackers. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 500 subscribers. So if you want to learn a new recipe every week and step-by-step on how to make it, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to making this pie. Alright y'all, so we have a saucepan here on medium-high heat. We're going to dump in 2 cups of water. We are going to whisk in 1 cup of our granulated sugar. And then we're going to take 2 teaspoons of our cream of tartar. We're just going to go ahead and get that mixed in. And we're going to stir this on this medium-high heat until it comes up to a boil. Alright y'all, so it's come up to a boil. We're just going to lower the heat a little bit. And we're going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes. It'll start to thicken up. Alright y'all. So it's thickened up some. We're going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of our lemon juice. I'm going to go ahead and mix that around. And we're just going to turn this heat off too, and we're going to let this start to cool down. And we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And we're just going to go ahead and get that mixed around. And we're just going to let this cool down, and we're going to go over to our countertop. So let's do that. So I already went ahead and added 2 sleeves of Ritz crackers to our food processor. And you know, I'm talking like the regular box of Ritz crackers. Just gonna go ahead and get those broken up. They don't have to be broke up too fine. Just want to broke it up. Quick little spin on the food processor should do it. Alright, so I've already went ahead and put our pie crust in our pie plate. But we're going to go ahead, just dump our graham cracker crumbs in there. Spread these out. Now after about 5-10 minutes of our filling cooling down on the stove, we're going to dump it in here after that. So I'll bring you back in a few minutes. Alright y'all, I messed up. I forgot to hit the record button. Didn't think I did that, but I did. We poured our syrup into our crust with our Ritz crackers. We took a spatula and gave it a stir, made sure all the Ritz crackers were soaked with our syrup. And now we're going to take our top crust. We're just gonna take that top crust, lay it on. Alright y'all, so we have our top pie crust on. We trimmed our edges with a paring knife all the way around alongside our pan, our pie dish I should say. And we went around and pinched the edges, made it look good. So we have preheated our oven to 400 degrees. We're gonna throw this in there for about 15 minutes. And then we're going to drop our oven temperature down to 350 degrees, bake for another 20 minutes, bring it out. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so we baked it. Now all we got left to do is serve this up, maybe with some whipped cream, some ice cream. Either or works. So let me cut a slice out of this. Put it on a plate and I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so there it is, a slice of this fake apple pie, and I'll tell you what, I snuck a bite of it and oh my god, does it actually taste like apple pie. It shouldn't work, but it does. So go ahead, give this recipe a try. If you like it, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to see anything else done on this channel, go ahead, leave a comment below. And until next time, keep on cooking on.